Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on LG Gram. If you have access to your physical keyboard or you have an external keyboard connected to your laptop, you can enable on-screen keyboard using the combination of three keys: Windows, Control and O. This way you will enable this on-screen keyboard that's adjustable. You can resize it, move in the sides and the corners of it. You can use the numpad on it. You have the default keyboard set on it, and yeah, you can use it for any typing purposes that you need. However, you can also enable it from settings. If you open Start menu and go to Settings, then select Accessibility on the sidebar and go to the Keyboard menu right here. In order to enable an on-screen keyboard here, you have to switch the toggle to the right next to on-screen keyboard feature. And that's the very same keyboard. However, if you don't want to go to the settings, or you cannot use the shortcut to enable an on-screen keyboard, you can use a more convenient option. If you go to personalization and go to taskbar menu, the personalization on the sidebar, then taskbar, and then find touch keyboard here and expand this list, select always, and once you select always, you can click on the keyboard icon on your taskbar, which will enable this touch keyboard. And while it's less adjustable, you cannot resize it, you cannot reshape it, there is no numpad to it, but still it's a fully workable fully working keyboard with most the things you need for your keyboard basically. And you can enable it anytime by just clicking this icon on your taskbar. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.